Snap's earnings. Okay, here you go. Look at that, guys. Look at that. We're looking for a 22.68 bounce. All right, I'm long. I'm long Snap 22, 22.10, right off those bottoms. Looking for a quick pop up in the 24s, quick scalp off the low. Boom, I'm out just like that. Woo! 135 on a quick bounce on Snap. We already knew these levels down here that we wanted to get the bounce on. So that was quick. That was fast, right? We were ready to go, though, right? We were ready to go. In and out. Boom, done. All right, let's wait for this candle to settle down a bit. So $20, next area for a quick little bounce. So Snap, yeah, they beat by a penny. Sales beat. They beat all around, but it wasn't, substantial. So that's why you saw a little bit of a decline here on that. So again, Snap, not going to short it yet. I'm not going to short it yet. I want to see an attempt back higher, and then I want to go short. But right now, I already got my quick little dollar bounce off. Actually, it was about 50 cents by the time I got out. Yeah, next area for a bounce is going to be off these daily highs, 1979, and then down into the 1829s if it ever makes it that low. So again, we're looking for somewhere around 20 for a quick pop, down towards around 1829 for another bounce as well if it does move down that low, or if we get a quick little retest off this area, 24.6. That's where I'll look to go short on Snap. But right now, there's just not a lot of hype. It's not really doing a lot. So that may have been it. I may flip long again here in a second. Stops off this 21.3s. It's starting to get a little bit more buying down here. I'm looking at the level 2, and I'm seeing more buyers move in off these lows, but I haven't gone long yet. So I'm still looking at that 21.30 for a bounce. Other than that, right under 19. 18.29. So let's see. 21.70. Bids are starting to fall. All right, here we go. Actually, I think this would be a better bounce area right off these lows. Yeah, we're under 19, and then we're talking way down towards those highs. So these are all possible bounce areas, guys. So at these areas, I'll look to go long. I'm only looking for quick 50-cent pops. If we start really looking weak around those areas, that's when I get out. United Airlines, did they come out with earnings? Because I'd look to go short. United has not came out with their earnings yet, so we're still waiting on that. Snap's starting to look like it's going to bounce right here, guys. So I'm going to take a low risk entry here on Snap for the quick pop over 22. Go ahead and get out. Done. Just like that. In and out. So in at 22, out at 22.5 for a quick 25 cents as the bids were creeping over 22. 250 shares. I mean, nothing crazy, but again, another, $90 or so. United starting to push up a bit off 33 to 33.6. 33.75. United's getting some volume right now. We still don't have... When are the earnings? The earnings are today, right? Earnings on 7/21 after market. Yeah, the earnings are today, but you're starting to see some volume move into United. I can't believe the earnings are going to be good. I don't know why we'd see this pop up. I mean, airlines are still hurting right now. So I don't know why we would see good earnings. All right, so where's our fib extension at? So let's go ahead and take our extension off this candle range. Let's see where we can go short again. So I'll be looking to scalp the fib extensions off this candle range here. Right now you can see it's honoring the fibs, right? So we came down, support resistance. We were pretty much leveling out right around that 78.6 fib. Where did we come up to? 61.8. So again, I'll be looking to just scalp in between these fibs on Snap. You got United still chopping around. I still just keep checking back. Okay, here we go. Earnings loss, of course. So bad earnings on United. We were already expecting that. If this starts cracking below 32.77, I'll go short to 32.5. That's not enough range. Scratch that, guys. That's not enough movement. So, but they, of course, we already knew that United was gonna have bad earnings, but it's not taking that big of a hit. So I'm going to wait for this candle to close. If the candle closes above 22, I'll be long again to 22.5, 250 shares. Stops will be right below that candle here, so I'll be risking like 10 cents or so. Again, I want to see this candle close above the 78.6 fib, immediately push off. And again, like I said, I'm just going to scalp these fib levels. So eyes are on that level 2. We have about 10 seconds left. Right now, not long. I'm not going to go long. Is my fib drawn right? Oh, no. Okay, there we go. That makes more sense. All right, so that was the long, 21.94. So I was like, that doesn't make sense. But yeah, see how these line up a lot better, right? Candle bodies are like perfect. I didn't have the fib off the absolute high. I had it down a little bit, so it was throwing off the fibs, but that looks better. So now we're looking for this to break over 61.8, and I'll look to go short 22.96. So pretty much 23. I'll look to go short on Snap. I'll look to cover it back in the 22.5s. Look at that, was the bounce, guys. Look at that. Man, if I hadn't that extension drawn perfectly, that was the entry too, guys. It threw me off by about 6-7 cents, which, hey, 6-7 cents is it's a big deal. But just like that, quick 50-cent pop off these fibs. Beautiful. Looking to get a short off 23. All right, we got about 30 seconds left on this candle. I'd like to see a nice candle close up around that 23 mark. $22.84, 87, 80 on the bid, 85. All right, we got about 15 seconds left. 22.81, 89, 95. It's getting there slowly and steady. Not short. Let's See if we get a close right below, and we're bullish. So right now, next short area, if we close below, is going to be this 23.40 mark. You know, actually, that's a good risk level for long. So I'm long on Snap. Long for 40 cents. That's what I'm looking for at 23.40. Here we go, 23.40. Do we got it in you, Snap? Do we got another 40 cents? There we go. Slowly and steady. Little base hits, guys. That's all I'm aiming for. Little base hits. Nothing crazy. Not looking for $1 million trades. Just looking for a quick, boom, just like that. Quick $100 trade. That's it. That's all I'm looking for, guys. I'm not looking for anything substantial. I'm not looking to hit home runs. I mean, just alone on Snap, a little over $300 in after hours trading earnings. Easy stuff.